How to hide the WhatsApp chat. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to lock or hide your WhatsApp chats, there are different methods by which you can do so. So let's start by updating the WhatsApp. For this, head over to Play Store or App Store, tap on the search bar and type in WhatsApp. Tap on the update button if available. If not, you can launch the app by tapping on Open. One way to hide any chat would be long press the conversation. Once you long press the conversation, you will see some of the options. Tap on this down arrow in a box which is to archive the chat. The chat will be now sent to the archived list. Second option is long press the chat, tap on the three dots and tap on lock chat. This will ask you to tap on continue and provide in your biometrics. This is how you can now lock the chat. To unlock it as well, you'll have to provide in to the details or the pin code. Tap on the more section and then you will reach to the conversation. The same process is for the archive chats as well. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.